Hey, it's Scott Leslie. I'm going to show you in this video how to use the email link feature. We've added two capabilities to it to make it easier and quicker for you to both send one-off emails as well as remember and track what you sent to who and when. So here's how it works. Of course, if you're just logging a call to, say, Deborah, if you're prospecting to Deborah and you're logging a call, you're going to use the clipboard icon and you're going to be logging the call as follows. But if you're actually going in and wanting to do an email follow-up, you'll click the email icon. That will pop up a similar form and you'll select the template that you want to use. So for example, if you just left a voicemail and you want to do an email follow-up to that, I'll pick the voicemail template. You can manage your own templates by clicking this link right here, and it's very simple to do. You can add as many templates as you want, and you can put in a name for them as well as the subject line and personalization using this little drop down here. You'll notice that I put in a first name personalization field and a company personalization field. You'll notice that I personally also stored my signature in here. However, I do want to mention that we're sending this information over the subject line and the message body via a mail to link to your default email software. We're able to store up to 2,000 characters according to the mail to parameters, and I'll show you a couple of options to do that to give you some flexibility depending on how you like to manage things with your signature. So let's see how the actual email gets created. So when we click create email, it sends a mail to link and it launches your browser's default email client like so. And as you can see, it put in Deborah's email address, put in the subject line and the body from my template automatically. Now, in some cases, you may want to put an image in your signature. I don't happen to have one, but if you do, you may want to leave your signature off and only send over the subject line and the body, at which point you can then just use, like in the case of Gmail here, I can use this little insert signature link to put in anything that I want as it pertains to my signature. The only other thing to mention is I need to actually do the sending of the email from here. I want you to make sure that you actually send the email, and if you decide not to, I want to show you one thing to be aware of, and that is you'll notice that as soon as you hit create email, the assumption here is that you have actually sent the email. There is no knowledge that we have as to whether or not you sent it, so you're going to want to make sure that you're paying attention. If for some reason you actually did not proceed to send it, you would want to come back here, click on this, and hit delete. So in most cases, you should go ahead and plan on doing the sending, but do be aware that the activity, the history that is, telling you, what you sent and who you sent it to and when is going to be automatically stored here as soon as you hit create email. Any questions, please email us at support@businesswise.com. Thanks so much for watching.